In this video, I'll guide you through how to build a CRM in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple but powerful system to track your contacts, companies, deals, and all the activities around them all in one organized place. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which just takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable home screen where all of your bases live. A base in Airtable is like a project or a small app. In this case, it will become your customer relationship management system. Next, you'll either create a new base from scratch or start from a CRM template. On the home screen, look for the option to add a new base. You can choose a blank base if you want full control over the structure, or browse the templates and look for one related to CRM or sales. Using a template can save time, but building it yourself helps you understand exactly how everything fits together. Once your base is created, you'll set up your core tables. Think of tables like different sheets in a spreadsheet, each focusing on one type of information. For a basic CRM, create tables named contacts, companies, deals, and activities. Contacts will store the people you interact with. Companies will hold information about the organizations they belong to. Deals will represent active or potential sales opportunities. Activities will track things like calls, meetings, emails, or follow-ups. Now it's time to define the fields in each table. Fields are the columns in your table, and they describe what kind of information you're storing. Common fields across these tables include name, email, phone, deal value, status, and notes. For example, in the contacts table, you might have fields for name, email, phone number, and a notes field for extra details. In the deals table, you'll likely want fields for the deal name, the potential value, the current status, and any important notes about timing or requirements. Use appropriate field types, such as single line text for names, email for email addresses, phone for phone numbers, and currency for deal value. With your structure in place, start entering records into each table. A record is a row of data, like one individual contact or a single deal. Add your existing contacts, the companies they work for, and any deals you're currently working on. You don't have to enter everything at once. You can start small and grow your CRM over time as you interact with more customers. To make your CRM truly useful, use linked record fields to connect your tables. For example, in the contacts table, add a field that links each contact to a company in the companies table. In the deals table, create a linked field to connect each deal to the relevant contact or company. This way you can click into a contact and instantly see all the deals and activities related to them, making your information more relational and easier to navigate. To visualize your deals and interactions more clearly, switch from the default grid view to Kanban or gallery views. A Kanban view is great for tracking deals across stages, like new, in progress, and closed. You can drag and drop cards between stages as deals move forward. A gallery view is helpful when you want a more visual layout of contacts or companies, with each record shown as a card. Finally, use interfaces or dashboards to monitor your sales pipelines and relationships at a higher level. Airtable interfaces let you build a more polished, app-like experience on top of your base. You can create custom pages that highlight key metrics, show filtered lists of deals, or focus only on what each team member needs to see. This helps you keep an eye on your pipeline, follow-ups, and overall performance without digging through every table manually. Once you've set all this up, you'll have a functional CRM in Airtable that you can refine over time as your process evolves.